Ever had hiccups that won't stop? But why do we get them in the first place? The answer goes way back in evolution: diaphragm spasms. Hiccups happen when your diaphragm contracts involuntarily, causing a sudden gulp of air, and that hic sound, a leftover from amphibians? Some scientists believe hiccups date back to our fish-like ancestors, who used a similar reflex to breathe underwater, triggered by eating too fast. Overeating, carbonated drinks, or swallowing air can irritate the nerves, setting off hiccups. How to stop them? Holding your breath, drinking cold water, or distracting your brain can help reset the reflex. What's your weirdest hiccup cure? Share below. Like and follow for more fun facts.